assume that I remove the patient catheter. And after that, we will give the patient a bath. We will wear the gloves. Use a towel and rinse it. Now we will wipe the patient's eyes, ear, and face, and his neck. And next, we will wipe the patient's body. Make sure that the patient are still have privacy and covering by the linens. And we need to side the patient also to wipe the patient back, and then assume that I already wiped the patient back. And next, I will put cotton balls on the patient's eyes and nose. And after that, remove the patient clothes or the patient hospital gown. Assume that I already removed the patient hospital gown, and then I'll change it to a new clothes. And now, we will remove the linens on the patient's body. Before we change it into a new linen, we should not forget to put a name tag on the toes of the patient. And after that, we will cover the patient into a new linen. And now we will cover the patient before we put it in the zipper bag. So after we cover the patient body, before we put it on the zipper bag, we will put a name on the top of the linen of the patient, and that's it. And then we will put it on the zipper bag, and we will give it to the family of the deceased of the patient.